Hello everyone, it's good to see you here, and today we will talk about Plena's Airdrop. And Plena is a new crypto wallet out there. They call themselves a super app of crypto, and there are so many functionalities associated with it. Also, it is powered by account abstraction. You can see it over here. Now what it is different from the earlier EOA technology, and due to account abstraction, the smart contracts also get involved in your account creation process, and this way the efficiency of fee management is there, the security of your account is also enhanced, and also there are some more functionalities due to this technology. And also it is a non-custodial wallet, so the money that you are holding on your Plena's super app, it is actually yours, and you are the only one who can access it, and not like the bank. So there are currently more than 100k cryptos out there at best rates on Plena's app, and they have recently also launched this particular campaign on Galaxy, and it will be live till 8th of April. So if you are watching this video right now, then just after watching this video complete the task, as there are so many tasks already and new tasks will be releasing each week, so you have to just check it out again and again in order to complete these tasks, and only the people who are putting in efforts to complete these tasks will be getting rewarded by Plena. So this is the official website. Make sure that you open it up from the official Twitter handle of Plena. Otherwise, there are so many scams out there. I will also provide all the links used in this video in the description of this video, so it will be easier for you to reach out over here. Now, this is the official website, and you can get it on your iOS or your Android, and you can also get the Android APK if you want to. And when it comes to its support, like there are so many VCs and people out there who are supporting it, and you can currently interact with more than 150D apps using Plena wallet, and they will also be releasing their own AI, which is Plena GPT, for their wallet. Let's see how it all unfolds. But if you check out their investors or backers or angels, you would be able to see big names over here, like Nishal Shetty is over here, and you will also be able to find some huge influencers in this list. So watch out for all the influencers out there before you believe their videos, because they have their interest in these projects. That's why they are supposed to promote these projects. This is just one say. The other say could be that these projects are so good that even the influencers are getting involved in the back end of these projects. So you can just simply check it out. Also, it is backed by some of the best teams out there, like Consensus is there, and this is the team that built MetaMask. So you know very well that if someone builds something, and if they are building the same thing in same niche, then they would be taking care of all the challenges that they faced while making the earlier one or the project, which is MetaMask. So there are some good teams supporting this project. And also in the marketing partners, you can see some YouTubers over here and some influencers also. So you would be seeing these people promoting this particular platform, and this is how the Plena is. You can go with the one-click transactions on the Plena, and also it is self-custodian, which means that not even Plena can take up your assets whenever they can. It is completely yours, and you have the full control over it. And you check out some FAQs which are quite interesting, so I wanted to just discuss it beforehand. You get the particular airdrop and also get involved in the project. And the good thing is that KYC is not required over here, which means that it is decentralized and it is not asking for our personal information and respecting our privacy. So this is a good step when it comes to decentralization. Also, you can connect your Plena wallet with your socials. In case if you lose your account in future, you would be able to use your social accounts in order to get the account back. But in case if you choose to not connect your Plena account with socials, then you would not be able to recover your account at all, as Plena also don't have your secret keys. Now let's move on with the airdrop. For this, just simply open up the official website, then click on this option of airdrop at the top, and this is where it will take you. Let it load, and this is the Plena's road to TGE, and it is a 4-week Plena TGE adventure. So these are the rules over here, and it is written over here in caps. So make sure that you complete all the Galaxy tasks, no matter how many tasks you complete, but this is the mandatory one. You have to complete all the Galaxy tasks in order to be eligible for this airdrop, and they will be dropping 2% of their total token supply of Plena to the people who participate in these quests, and also they will be offering whitelist spots and USDT prices to the people who are participating in these quests. So make sure that you do it all in order to get the best out of this airdrop. So in order to participate, you will have to just scroll down, and over here make sure that you create your account on Galaxy. Only then you would be able to participate and complete the tasks. So for this, just simply click on this option of get started, then join the challenges and complete them. And you have to be active on the Plena in order to get yourself high in the leaderboards. And also, if you are coming back to the platform and doing the task, only then you would be able to stand a chance to get the airdrop, as there will be tasks which are released in different time frames, and it is different from the other airdrops where you just have to stake your crypto once and don't have to do anything after that. But in this one, you will have to complete the tasks on a weekly basis in order to complete them and check this platform on regular basis. So just simply click on this option of get started, and it will redirect you over to the Galaxy. Now wait for it to load, and after that just connect your Galaxy with the MetaMask, and over here you will be able to find two different tasks. First click on this one, Plena Road to TGE, and wait for it to load. After that scroll down, and here you can see various tasks, and as soon as you complete the bunch of these tasks, you will be able to claim these points. So these are some social tasks, quite easy to do, like you just have to follow the Twitter account of Plena, connect your Discord, and join the Telegram. After that you will be able to claim 40 points. Just simply click on claim 40 points, and this is how it will appear. Now you can just move ahead and check out some other tasks as well and do them. And after doing all these tasks, there are different tasks released every week, so just do them and gather as many points as possible. There are some quiz as well, like this one, self custody is a way to go on Plena, and for this you just have to watch this particular YouTube video, and if you even click on it, then you can just simply check it out. And if you have heard whatever I said in this video right now, then you would be able to do it quite easily. Just select this one and click on submit, and wait for it. And this is how you would be able to clear up these tasks quite easily, and after completing these tasks you would be accumulating these points, and on the basis of these points you would be getting the airdrop. Also, when we get back, let me get back, and over here you also find this one, the Plena Degen. Just simply click on it, and this is still under farmed, so there are not many people doing this one. Usually people go over 100k, and this is just 34k, so there is still plenty of space available, and if you do it on regular basis, then you would be able to make it on the top list of people participating in this airdrop. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to see more such videos about crypto airdrops and crypto fundamentals, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, and also smash that like button. See you in the next video.